So guys, hello. Sa Pangdalaga, mag-adventure kami guys. Going to sa Pangdalaga Falls. Tingnan natin kung talagang makapunta kami doon. Okay, so yun guys. Okay, vlog ang walay lingaw. Thanks for watching. Hello guys! Welcome to Baga Falls here in sa Pangdalaga, Misamis Occidental. Ayan guys. Okay, ang ganda. So refreshing dito guys. Ang ganda ng view. Full of nature. Thanks for watching.